People often forget to consume some food item in the fridge until it gets rotten. So we are proposing here an IoT-based solution, which is a smart freshness detector for any fridge that would remind people to consume their food before it goes bad. And it aligns with the overall goal to reduce food wastage. If you look at prior art and the commercial side, most of these so-called smart fridges are often very expensive, costing around $2,000, making it not practical for an average household. So we are proposing here an IoT-based solution which would include a Raspberry Pi and a camera and some gas sensors, which essentially tracks or keeps track of food items during the transition kept inside and taken outside the fridge. Here, we demonstrate the food tracking capability for a couple of fruits, in which we can essentially track the quantity of food item which is being kept inside the fridge. And also, based on a landmark-based localization method, we are able to tell on which shelf the food item is being placed. And using a data fusion-based approach with the gas sensor data and the video data, we are able to provide a better estimate of when a food item would get rotten.
This is the demonstration of FreshIO in a real-world setting. As you can see here, when we put items into or take items out of the fridge, the video analysis module will track the item and according to its moving direction, it can determine whether each item is put into or taken out of the fridge. The video analysis module can also use a localization algorithm to determine the food location. The Android app can display the food items inside the fridge, including their corresponding information such as food types, locations, and the days the food is put inside, and the estimated expiration dates. The app can also use different background colors to show the status of food by combining the estimated expiration dates with the sensor data. This app can remind people to consume foods before expiration to reduce food waste. Well, this part demonstrates how gas sensors can be used to help decide the food status. When we put a fresh pineapple near the sensors, the three types of gas sensors we use all have relatively low reading values, but if we put some rodent ones, all the reading values have significant increases, especially the Bosch AI sensor, and we can use the change of sensor values to infer food quality.